Our product is housed in a durable black carry case, which has undergone rigorous drop testing to ensure ultimate protection. The test was conducted by dropping the unit from a height of 1 meter, a total of 6 times, covering all 6 faces of the case. Following this stringent assessment, the product remained fully intact with no visible damage or functional impairment. It operates flawlessly and charges normally, demonstrating exceptional robustness. The combined weight of the product and the carry case is approximately 2.7 kilograms. The integrated light features a powerful magnetic base for secure attachment and offers 10 distinct flashing modes, easily controlled via a user-friendly button interface. For convenient power supply, it is equipped with a Type-C charging port. The plug can be customized to meet regional standards, including the European Standard EU or the American Standard US. We understand the diverse needs of our clients and are pleased to offer comprehensive customization services. Whether you require specific branding, color variations, or functional adjustments, our team is dedicated to providing tailored solutions to meet your exact specifications.